Okay, so this is going to be an intro to the Flick Your Bic or the Mueller Volume Lab. We're going to do this lab on Thursday. Bring the camera in here and show them the things that you guys are going to use. You're going to have a bucket of water. A bucket's going to be a little bit larger than this one, but it's okay. I just want you to be able to see. You have a bucket of water like this. You're going to need a graduated cylinder from your drawer. You're going to have a small tube. These will be up on the demo desk, and you'll get one of these. And you'll need a lighter. So the first thing that you guys are going to have to do is you're going to have to mask the lighter on a balance. Now the balances are analytical. They're much more accurate than the ones we used in the past. But you'll put it in there, close it, make sure you zero it first, which I did. And you'll write down all of the digits that are listed here. So it'll be like, in this case, 6 significant digits. So you write all the digits down of your lighter. At that point, you don't want to do anything to the lighter. You don't want to get it wet. You don't want to be clicking it, because we're going to measure the mass of the gas that's actually lost by the lighter. So you'll take your little tube and you'll click it, you can get close, and you'll click it on the top of it like this. And then what you're going to do is take your graduated cylinder, you're going to fill it with water. So take it like this and fill it with water by placing it in the water, filling it completely up, and then once you invert it, the water will stay inside the cylinder. And so what I'm going to do is take, hand dry, I'm going to take the gas and I'm going to actually put it in the cylinder. So I'm going to take this like this, and I'm going to lift this up and place, you got this? Put this underneath here, and then I'm going to collect the gas. Now you don't want any of the gas to go anywhere else except in the graduated cylinder, but you're going to collect gas in the graduated cylinder until it gets down to, or up to, I guess, depending on how you look at it, about 40 milliliters or so. Maybe between 30 and 40 milliliters is fine. So I'll just collect gas, collect gas, collect gas. And then what you're going to want to do is, oops, so I lost a little bit right there, so I'm going to have to start this over again. If mine fell off, so I'm still going, keeping it dry. I'm going to collect some more gas. Put that back on there. Collecting more gas. What we're going to do is we're lowering it to a level that we can get the graduated cylinder meniscus in there, the water level, to be the same as the water level in the bucket. And I'll explain that when we get there, but I'm getting close. So I'm adding gas until I get to that point. We'll say, I'm going to go a little past 40 for me, because this water level's a little lower than you guys will be. Okay, so there. Then I'm going to take this out and not get it wet. I now have my lighter, and I'll mask that again in a minute. But what I'm going to do is take my graduated cylinder, and there's the meniscus right there. I'm going to lower it down until it's at the exact same level as the water level in here. If I put it too low, it creates pressure in there, and if I pull it up, it creates a vacuum and makes the pressure go down. So what I'm going to do is put it exactly at the same level, and then I'm going to have my lab partner write down how much that is. And this one's like 40, I don't know, 45.1 or something, milliliters. So that would be my volume of gas that I collected. So then I would write that down just as my volume. On the other side, I will go and mask my lighter again and see what the difference was. And this mass that you get should be lower than the previous mass. If it's not, then you've got water on it or something is stuck to your lighter, and that's no good. So you guys are going to need to, in the pre-lab here, is diagram what I did. You know, draw this, draw the graduated cylinder, draw the lighter, collecting the gas, and then you're going to need to write a procedure for what you're doing, right? You got to mask the lighter. You've got to collect your gas. You need to mask the lighter again. Talk about using a balance, but write your own procedure for this and show it to us tomorrow. Okay?